Assalamualaikum and good day. We are from group A4AS10312 and today we'll be presenting our statistic and probability group project. The title of our study is the relationship between online spending and point rewards. This study explores whether higher online spending leads to higher reward points using statistical analysis such as correlation and regression. In recent years, online shopping has become more increasingly popular due to its convenience and accessibility. Many e-commerce platforms use loyalty programs that reward customers with points based on how much they spend. These rewards are designated to encourage repeat purchases and customer loyalty. However, it is important to understand whether higher spending truly results in higher rewards. This helps businesses evaluate the effectiveness of their loyalty programs and help consumers understand how their spending translates into benefits. The objective of this study are fourfold. First, we aim to analyze the data distribution of online spending and point rewards. Second, we determine whether the data follows a normal distribution. Third, we examine the relationship between online spending and point rewards using correlation analysis. Finally, we develop a simple linear regression model to predict point rewards based on online spending.
Data description. The dataset used in this study consists of 10 observations. There are two numerical variables involved. The independent variable is online spending, measured in Ringgit Malaysia, while the independent variable is point reward earned. This data allows us to analyze how change in spending affect the number of reward points received. Methodology overview. Graphical techniques such as QQ plots and scatter plots were used to visualize the data distribution and relationship between variables. Numerical techniques, including descriptive statistics, were applied to summarize the data. In addition, Pearson correlation analyzed the simple linear regression were used to measure the strength of the relationship and to build a prediction model. Data presentation. This slide shows the data table and scatter plot of online spending versus point reward. From the table, we can observe that as online spending increased, point reward also increased. The scatter plot further supports this observation, showing an upward trend. This visually indicates a positive relationship between online spending and point rewards.
Based on the descriptive statistic, the average online spending is Rm 31 ringgit 60 cents, while the average point reward is 35.70 points. The standard deviation for online spending is 9.454 and for the point reward is 11.196, which indicates some variability in the data. Overall, this value suggests that spending and reward points vary among consumers, but still follow a consistent pattern. Pearson correlation analysis was used to measure the strength of the relationship between online spending and point rewards. The correlation coefficient obtained is R equal 0.826. This indicates a strong positive correlation, meaning that as the online spending increases, point rewards also tend to increase significantly. A simple linear regression analysis was conducted to further estimate this relationship. The regression equation obtained is y equals 11.916 plus 0.764 times x, where y represents point rewards and x represents online spending. The coefficient of determination r squared is 0.683. This means that 68.3% of the variation in point rewards can be explained by online spending. This shows that online spending is a strong predictor of point rewards.
Prediction of examples regression equation y equals to 11.916 plus 0.764x. Example, if online spending equals to RM30, predicted point rewards will be y equals to 11.916 916 plus 0.764 multiplied with 30 equals to 34.8 points. Conclusion: strong positive relationship between online spending and point rewards. The regression model is statistically significant. Higher online spending is associated with higher reward points. Recommendation and closing. For businesses, enhance reward rates to encourage higher spending. Identify spending thresholds that maximize rewards. For future research, use larger sample sizes, include other factors such as promotions or purchase frequency. That's all from us. Thank you.